How to log into Cash App with Cashtag. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can log into Cash App with Cashtag, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to log into Cash App with a Cashtag, let me just go ahead and open up Cash App. You can see one of my account is already saved in this Cash App account, which is why you can see my Cashtag is BML98. If I just select this, I'll be successfully signed in. But right over here, you can see if I just try to log into a relatively new account, what are some of the options that I have? The only option I have to log into my Cash App account is either by using my phone number or my email address. Bottom line is that you cannot log in using a Cashtag. Cash App currently does not offer any such ways where you can simply log in using a Cashtag. What you want to do is you either need to have your phone number or your email address. In this case, enter the email address, tap the next option, verify the OTP code that will be sent to your email address. In this case, once you verify the OTP code that was sent to your email address, you can simply go ahead and then log in to your Cash App account. But other than that, currently Cash App does not offer such ways where you can simply sign in using your Cashtag. So hope this video helped you clear your confusion. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.